Nah, I dropped my drink.
All right, Your Honor, I think we're ready to go.
Well, at this time, the court's going to go ahead and call Lampasas County calls number 18,638. That's in the 27th Judicial District Court of Lampasas County, Texas. And this is in the interest of Elman minor children, non-custodial party being Vanessa Elman, custodial party being Jeanette Elman. The court will take judicial notice of the court file note for the record that both parties are served back in 2023. So this has been going a while. But both parties are properly before the court this time, and both parties are present here today. So I'll ask the state for an open to tell the court what the state's requesting we do here today and what you understand agreements and contests to be at this time. I'll say if the party's making a statement to the closing, and we'll take it from there. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. I should probably note at the outset, Ms. Jeanette Aleman, she may be a little hard of hearing. Ms. Aleman, if at any time you can't hear one of us or you have difficulty understanding, please let one of us know. So this is a case involving confirmation of arrears and modification, Your Honor. The state's requesting a final order. So in terms of the arrears, Ms. Jeanette Aleman, the person designated as the custodial parent at on this case, she's the grandmother of the children, and she's expressed a desire to release all arrears in the case. We will be introducing the pay record to show the amount of arrears as of yesterday, January 16th, 2025, as $14,629.86 in child support arrears and $1,656.77 in medical support arrears. Just a little background, the prior order in this case was signed in January of 2015. There are 4 children under that order. Of those children, only one is currently not emancipated. Just the 3rd child in the family emancipated back in August of 2022. So for the remaining child in this case, since September 1st of 2022, Ms. Vanessa Aleman, or Aleman Childs, she is the one who's designated as the non-custodial parent in the case today. She was ordered to pay $213 in monthly child support and $57 in monthly medical support. Ms. Jeanette Aleman is represented to the state that she wishes to release the arrears in full. We believe that there will be evidence that the child at issue in this case currently lives with Ms. Aleman Childs and has for a significant period of time. So that would impact the modification issue as well. And lastly, we do have an issue of non-disclosure to address. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, sounds detailed, and we'll go ahead and get some testimonies from the parties, and let's figure out what we're going to do here as far as the circumstances are concerned. And I'll have you elaborate on what the actual modification you'll be seeking here in a moment. But anyway, I'll go ahead and ask both the ladies to go ahead and turn on their videos and raise their right hands. Ms. Aleman, Ms. Jeanette Aleman, you need to unmute yourself, ma'am. You're currently muted.
Oh, unmute yourself, Mom. Hit the little speaker button. No, we can't. You got to hit the button. Swipe your screen, touch your screen.
There you
go. Success.
Yep.
All right. Do you both solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give here today is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth will help you?
I do.
I do.
All right, you're both officially under oath, and I allow the state to call you as witnesses. You can put your hands down. If any of you have any questions about the hearing, at the end of the hearing, I'll let you ask those questions and we'll try to clarify anything. Thank you. But at this time, I'll go ahead and let the state call their first witness, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. We'll go ahead and call Ms. Jeanette Alamon first. All right, Ms. Alamon, please state your name for the record.
Jeanette Aleman.
So in my opening statement, I mentioned the issue of non-disclosure, and that involves not including your address, phone number, email address, and employment information from any orders that we issue. Are you concerned that someone might harm you if they had access to this information?
Harm me? No.
Okay.
I just don't want I don't want my grandson, Mike Anthony's dad, to know where I live.
Okay, so that is the person that you're concerned about, your grandson's father?
Yeah, Mike Anthony's dad.
Okay, and what is the reason you have that concern?
I just don't want to deal with him. I haven't talked to him in years. I just don't want to get a unexpected visit from him. So I don't want to have my address on record where when he sees it, whenever, that he doesn't see my address on there.
Okay, do you currently have a protective order against this person?
No, Mike, no.
All right, or the person you're concerned about?
No, I don't have a protective order on him.
Okay, has this person
I don't think they ever did one.
I apologize. What was the last thing you said, ma'am?
I don't think they ever did one on him.
Okay, and has this person been violent with you in the past?
With his son?
Well, has he been violent with you or one of the
Just
children?
verbally.
Okay.
And ma'am, the son, does he still live with you?
No, my granddaughter does not live with me.
No, your grandson.
Oh no, my grandson. No, he does not live with me.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. I'm going to move on to the arrears and modification issues. Ms. Alamon, what is your relationship to Ms. Vanessa Alamon Childs?
I'm her mother.
Okay, and just to be sure, are you currently in the same location as Ms. Alamon Childs?
What do you mean same location? Same town?
Same place. Are you in the same place right now?
No, she's at work. I'm over here at home.
Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you. Is it correct that at one time you had custody of the 4 children of Ms. Alamon Childs?
I do.
Okay. What are the names of those children?
Jonathan Alaman, Isaac Garcia, Mike Anthony Epperson, and Brandy Viteri.
Thank you. And is it correct that only Brandy is currently under the age of 18?
Just Brandy.
Got it. Okay. And does Brandy still live with you?
No, Brandy's living with her mom.
Okay. And when did Brandy stop living with you?
Brandy moved in with her mom when she was like 10 or 11.
Got it. Okay. And has she lived continuously with her mom since she left your residence?
Yeah, since she was 10 or 11. She's been with Vanessa, and she's 15 now.
Got it. Thank you, ma'am. I want to, at this time, Your Honor, offer the financial activity report as State's Exhibit Number 1.
Okay. Well, it's a long one. Just a second here. Let me get it. Well, I got it marked as A, but here we go.
You all good up there?
All right, this time, okay. This time, folks, this is your financial activity report in your case. It shows what monies have been paid for child support in this case. Is there any legal reason I shouldn't be able to review this information, Ms. Alamon?
Hello? Are you talking to me or What?
Yes, ma'am, I'm talking to you I'm talking to, and I'll refer to your daughter as Miss Childs. So, but this time, is there any reason that I shouldn't review the pay history in your case? All right, I'm gonna go, ma'am, I'm gonna go ahead and admit it. I know you don't understand what I'm asking, but at this point, if you don't have an objection and a legal objection, I'm gonna go ahead and admit, I'm gonna take that as a, non-binding. So at this time, Ms. Childs, any objection?
No.
All right, Ms. Childs and Ms. Alma, I'm gonna go ahead and take the pay history into evidence at this time and allow you to go ahead and tell the court what you wish to do about the unpaid amount. Thank you. You may proceed, Ms. Hopkins.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Alamon, are you in agreement to release all child support and medical support arrears owed to you in this case?
I am.
Okay, so in essence, you're agreeing to release a total of $14,629.86 in child support arrears and $1,656.77 in medical support arrears. Is that correct?
For me, yes, ma'am.
Okay. And are you agreeing to release those arrears owed to you voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am. Mm-hmm.
Why are you wanting to release those arrears?
Why do I want to release it?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, all my grandkids, the boys are all grown up. They all moved out. Brandy's living with her mom. She's doing real good. And I mean, I don't have none of the kids. I don't need no back pay, and I don't need that back pay or anything.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
I'd rather Vanessa have it because she's got
Okay.
Brandy,
All right, ma'am. That's sufficient. I'll note that's why you want it. That's good enough. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You may proceed, Ms. Owens.
Thank you. Ms. Alamon, is anyone putting pressure on you to release those arrears?
No.
Okay. Do you realize that once you release those arrears, they're gone and you cannot come back and try to get them paid?
That's fine.
Okay. Your Honor, I don't think I have any further questions. I'll pass the witness.
All right, thank you very much, ma'am. We'll be back in just a moment. Call your next witness, please.
Sure, I'll call Ms. Alamon Childs. Ms. Alamon Childs, do you mind stating your name for the record?
Vanessa Alamon Childs.
Okay, you broke up a little bit. Do you mind repeating that?
Vanessa Alamon Childs. It's probably because I'm in the back of my store. Hold on.
Got it.
This is the quietest back there in the back of my store. Okay, is this better?
Yeah, definitely sounds better. Okay, so in my opening statement, I talked about the issue of non-disclosure, and not including your address, phone number, email address, and employment information from our order. Do you have any safety concerns if that information is included in the order?
No.
Okay. And are you asking for the court to not include that information in the order?
No.
Okay. Are you the mother of the 4 children mentioned by Ms. Jeanette Alamon in her testimony?
Yes, ma'am.
And just to be sure, are you currently in the same physical location as Ms. Jeanette Alamon?
No, ma'am. I'm at work.
Okay. Appreciate your cooperation with my questions. Are you also in agreement with the release of arrears as stated earlier?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, go ahead.
I say yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Is it correct that your child Brandy is currently living with you in your home?
Yes, ma'am.
And approximately how long has she been living with you?
Since 9, 10, closer to 10.
Since she was 9 or 10?
Yeah, but closer to 10. I would say 10 because right around her birthday.
Okay, so approximately, let me look real quick. Well, would it be approximately 2019?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor. I don't have any further questions. I pass the witness.
All right, ladies, I'm looking at going ahead and granting everything that you and the state are requesting here. I'm looking at going ahead and granting the release. updating the information. My understanding is, again, no, the children still no longer with Miss Alamán. I will, based on her information, since she doesn't have to have any reason to be around the biological father of that one child, I'll grant the non-disclosure. And like I said, I'll grant everything y'all are asking for today. Is there anything else at this time, Ms. Hopkins, that you're requesting me to do here?
Okay, so the order, so you're granting the release of all of the arrears.
Oh yeah, I'm granting release of the arrears, taking it down to 0 as of the date requested on both the child support and cash medical.
I guess, did you want to do it as of February 1st, 2025, the modification?
Yeah, modification will start February 1st, 2025. Yes, ma'am. That'll be fine.
Got it. And the release of arrears, we'll do that as of yesterday, January 16th, 2025. And then non-disclosure, you are granting it for purposes of Ms. Jeanette Alamán.
Correct.
And then in terms of court costs.
Oh, I'm waiting. No court costs.
Okay. Waived.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And they're waived due to is it the agreement of the parties or the?
Well, just the court ruled on it. by court's own ruling, you can put it that way. But yeah, this has been forgiven, and yeah, obviously the only person I can order is Miss Childs, and now she's had the oldest child for so many years. I'll just say because she's had the remaining child for so many years that it's not appropriate.
Got it. Thank you so much, Your Honor. Nothing further.
All right. Any questions at this time, Ms. Childs?
No, sir. Thank you.
Not for me. Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you both very much, and I'll let you I'll let both of you leave, even though somebody else. Everybody, good luck. Be careful out there. Stay warm, even in that Aggie hat. Okay.
Yeah, you too. God bless you. I'm always going everywhere. I wear it because I'm bald.
Okay, don't worry about it. After what their rival did last week in their chance to get to the national championship, yeah, go Aggies. So you take care. Yeah, I know. I was mad for 2 days after the Longhorn game last Friday. So yeah, we're good.
That was my brother. That was my brother.
So, all right. Well, y'all, thank both of y'all, and y'all take care now. Thank you.
God
You
bless
too. Thank you.
All right, we're off the record. Okay.
Thank you. And I hate to be a killjoy with Ms. Jeanette Alamán and Ms. Vanessa Childs. Is there a way you can stay around while I draft that order?
Yeah,
Okay.
I can wait.
So I'll put y'all in a separate breakout rooms, and I'll be with you as soon as I can.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank y'all so much. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.